star, sleep tight. One little star is glowing so bright, dreaming sweet dreams on a cloud so high, till the sun peeks in the morning sky. Good morning, little star, shining bright from near to far. Open your eyes, it's time to rise. The sun is peeking in the skies. Wiggle your toes, stretch out wide. A brand new day is here outside. Brushy brush, up and down. Clean those teeth, don't wear a frown. Wash your face so fresh and clean. Now you're sparkling like a dream. Time for breakfast, yum, yum, yum. Little star eats with daddy sun. Backpack on and off you go to sky school where the comets glow. Wave to the clouds and the birdies too. They're all so happy to see you. Good morning, little star.